In this video, I'll show you how to watch free movies on YouTube, and it's a very simple process. Either you search YouTube movies in the search bar, or you go down here to the movies and TV. Go ahead and select movies and TV, and you'll see these right here, which is the free primetime movies. And you'll know that it's a free movie to watch because it'll say the free at the very bottom. So you can just scroll through it. You can even hit view all, and you can just watch anything that you want. Sometimes if you go to a different category, you can see that there's, for example, under thrillers, this And Soon the Darkness movie is free. If you keep scrolling down, maybe you'll end up seeing a free movie that you want to see. Just like this one. So if you have kids and you want to watch Reef 2, you can pull that up and then it will play for you. There's no strings attached. Everything is free, as long as it says free. So there you go. Very simple, very easy. Enjoy your movies. Peace.